Hi friends, I'm showing you this Bigotters painting toolkit. There are 34 pieces paint supplies that includes paint cups with lids, palettes, tray, multi sizes paint, pen brushes, and this is a set for kids. So I will show you one by one all these products so that you know. So these are like the paint brushes of different shapes and sizes. So this is a complete set, and as you can see, the quality of the brushes are good. So for the brush, I can say that there are like 6 medium flat hog bristles and nylon hairbrush, 4 large painting brush, 4 cleaning brush, and 6 palette. This also have a 10 small round chubby hog bristles and acrylic paint brush. These are like I will say a 4 no spill paint cup with color coded lid. And you can see the quality of the brush itself, all the different sizes. I will show you the sizes of all these products in a photo, so that will be easy for you. So as I mentioned, 6 palette, 3 blue, 3 white, and this can have the paint in so that it's easy to use. So this is good for watercolor painting, acrylic painting, body painting, nail painting, face painting, miniature painting, ceramic painting, model painting, leather painting, gypsum painting, rock painting, arts and craft painting. So there is a multiple use that you can use these brushes, these palettes, and these cups. You just need the paints for it, and this like for the clean purpose, like a cleaning brush. So these are the cups, as I mentioned, to hold the water, leak proof, so with a different color lid, so that you can put or use it for the different colors. So all this material is of like great quality, the plastic material. So these are the sizes for the brush.